Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 5 Mark II, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, simply pull down the notification panel and find the battery saver. It looks like it's going to be under here. Just hold it. So if I tap on it, stamina mode turns off or restricts. So that's kind of what we're looking for. So it's this one right here. It's called stamina mode on here. And as you can see, stamina mode turns off or restricts background activity, some visual effects or other high-powered features to extend battery life. Now you have a bunch of settings in here, and you can turn it on. Basically, set a schedule to it. And yeah, now to enable it, it looks like we actually have to do it through here. So, where is it? Oh, there it is. Turn on now. So as you can see, once you turn it on from here, everything turns, well, darkish and also completely black, as you can see. Now, because this is an OLED display, pixels on here are self-lit, so if they're black, they're not even lit up, and that will also save a little bit of battery. Now if you want to push it further, something that I can see, you can also drop the brightness even further if you wanted to. And if you have some toggles turned on that you don't need, things like, for instance, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, mobile network, location, you can disable those as well, and this will also increase your battery. Now once you're done with the power saving mode, simply tap on a toggle, which is right here, and everything will go back to normal. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.